This tiny, ancient machine has left scientists completely stunned, because it should never have existed. Hidden beneath the sea for over 2,000 years, archaeologists discovered a machine that should never have existed. At first, it looked like nothing more than a lump of rusted bronze, until scientists looked inside. Hidden inside were dozens of tiny precision gears, built more than 2,000 years before modern computers. This incredible device could predict eclipses, track planets, and map the movement of the stars with astonishing accuracy. Nothing this advanced was believed possible in the ancient world. Experts say technology this complex wouldn't appear again for more than 1,000 years. Every tiny gear had a purpose. Together, they formed one of the most sophisticated mechanical devices ever built in ancient history. Every tiny gear had a purpose. Together, they formed one of the most sophisticated mechanical devices ever built in ancient history. Even today, researchers continue uncovering new secrets hidden inside its remarkable design, proving just how advanced ancient civilizations could become.
Using modern X-ray technology, researchers uncovered hidden gear systems that had remained invisible for nearly 2,000 years.
Each new discovery revealed engineering techniques that were centuries ahead of their time, changing the way historians viewed the ancient world. More than 2,000 years later, this extraordinary invention still stands as one of history's greatest mechanical masterpieces. The Antikythera Mechanism remains one of history's greatest engineering masterpieces,
proving that the ancient world was far more advanced than we once believed.